Transautomobile here. Right next to me is the Toyota Corolla Sedan. Now, this is a very special car because this is one of the most popular cars around the world across many different regions, and which means it has an established reputation. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I'll be covering the exterior, the interior, the engine and performance, and you will know why the Toyota Corolla Sedan is not only popular, but it is one of the best sedans currently available. Hello and welcome to Transautomobile, your specialist in exporting brand new vehicles to the continent of Africa and the rest of the world since 1973. Today we're at the port of Antwerp here in Belgium at Transautomobile, and right over here is the Toyota Corolla Sedan. The exterior of the Toyota Corolla Sedan not only looks stylish, but it is aerodynamic, everyone. And this in turn improves fuel efficiency, and it does have the Toyota identity thanks to the design at the front. Side indicator integrated into the side view mirror. And a fun fact, did you know that Toyota adds this to improve the aerodynamics? That same detail can be spotted over here as well. Having the chrome trim over here gives it a premium look. Steel wheels that are durable, and at the same time you also get a hubcap for them. The Toyota Corolla, towards the side we see the Toyota Corolla identity and the real Toyota identity, especially towards the rear side, how it also kind of resembles other historic Toyota sedans. Now approaching the interior, this is where things get even more interesting because here we see some style, everyone, and we see some echoes of great value for money. Air conditioning over here, infotainment system over there, a multifunctional steering wheel. All four windows are fully automated, everyone. Automatic transmission, but most importantly, I want to tell you all about the advantages of having the white plastic in the interior. On a sunny day, the heat of the sun will reflect onto this white plastic, which means it'll reduce the heat for the interior. The steering wheel is very lightweight, and combined with the great visibility outside, it increases the maneuverability in urban areas or even tight spaces. Towards the rear seat, we get a better view of the entire interior of the Toyota Corolla Sedan. It looks premium, it feels quite premium to a certain extent actually, and the seating is like a sofa, and that too, I really like the tone you get on the seat. So the white tissue combined with the dark brown tissue, they look great together, especially on a sunny day. Giving power to this Toyota Corolla Sedan is a 1.6-liter four-cylinder petrol engine that produces 121 horsepower. The Toyota Corolla Sedan is a front-wheel drive, which means the engine gives power to the front wheels, and because of this, you get additional traction, and for the interior, there is a lot of space. On customer's request, we can also prepare the needed spare parts kits for 1 or 2 or 3 years and send it to you with the vehicle itself, or we can send it to you by mail express to your desired destination. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below sharing your thoughts of this Toyota Corolla Sedan. And don't just watch. Contact us for a personalized quote on any type of vehicle. Our sales team is dedicated every day to upholding our motto. Our mission, your satisfaction.